This is lesson 2 in foiling or distributing using the box method. Today we're going to learn how to multiply a leading coefficient times the box. To start off with example 1, we're just going to do two examples. It's 2 times the quantity x plus 5 times 3x minus 1. Now there are two methods for going about solving this problem or evaluating it. You can distribute the 2 before as long as you distribute it into the first two parentheses. But we're going to go ahead and use the box first. So step 1, remember we take our x plus 5 and we put it on one side of our box, either the upper part or the left hand side. Then we take our other term, 3x minus 1, and we put it on the left hand side. Now, some of you struggled with this idea in the first one, but to find this box right here, we're taking 3x times x, which is 3x squared. To find the green box, we're taking 3x times positive 5, which is positive 15x. To find the bottom left green box, we're taking negative 1 times x, which is negative 1x. And to take negative 1 times positive 5 is negative 5. Now what we do is we take our first term, which is 3x squared. We add together these two middle terms. 15x and negative 1x, or 15x minus 1x, is 14x's. So we bring our 14x down. Now don't forget that that is addition because it is a positive. And then we bring our negative 5 down. Now what we have to do from here is take whatever this number was, which is a 2, and it's a positive 2, and we're going to multiply everything in the parentheses times a positive 2. To do that, we distribute again. So we're going to take 2 times 3x squared. We're going to take 2 times 14x, and we're going to take 2 times negative 5. So 2 times 3x squared is 6x squared. 2 times 14x is 28x. And 2 times a negative 5 is a negative 10. And there is the solution to my problem. 6x squared plus 28x minus 10. Let's try one more example. This problem works the exact same way. We're going to take the 2x minus 1 and the 4x minus 3, and we're going to go ahead and fill it in. Maybe this time I'll put my 2x on my left with my negative 1. I put my 4x with my negative 3 at the top. This time to get the first box, 2x times 4x is 8x squared. To get the top right-hand box is 2x times negative 3, which is negative 6x. To get my bottom left, it's negative 1 times 4x, which is negative 4x. To get my bottom right-hand box, it's negative 1 times a negative 3, which is a positive 3. Now that we have all the boxes filled in, we're going to carry down our 8x squared. We're going to add together the middle two boxes. Negative 4x and negative 6x make a negative 10x. And then we have our 3. We look at what's in front, which is negative 3, and we put that in front again. When we have a number in front, we go ahead and we distribute. Negative 3 times 8x squared, negative 3 times a negative 10x, and a negative 3 times 3. So negative 3 times 8x squared is negative 24x squared. Negative 3 times a negative 10x is a positive 30x. And a negative 3 times a positive 9 is a negative 9. So my answer is this whole thing right here. I do not combine my x squareds with my x's. I leave my constant at the end. And I am done. Hopefully this has made sense to you, so now that you can get practicing